Here is a tutorial for Baidu Keyboard iOS best tips for using Baidu. First, go to Pinterest and search Baidu Keyboard, and then from there, you can go ahead and click on the three dots button, download the image or template of Baidu Keyboard that you want. Or go ahead and search for Baidu Keyboard link on Pinterest once again and choose a template that you wanted to use for your Baidu Keyboard. Let's say, for example, we are going to choose this cute pine. Click on Visit Site Options, and then you will be redirected on the Google Drive. And then click on the template that you want. And then afterwards, you will be redirected on the download options. Click on the download icon that you can see at the right side. And then automatically that template will be saved to your iOS. And now, for you to be able to use it to your iOS, go to the dashboard, click on the settings option. From the settings option, go ahead and search for keyboard. Once you have already searched for keyboard, click on the keyboards option. And then now you can go ahead and click on add new keyboard and then edit the language and then insert the picture that you save.